how to integrate Microsoft Teams with Salesforce. Hello guys, and today we're going to talk about these two platforms called Microsoft Teams and Salesforce. Now to make these two work together and integrate, we're going to use this third-party website called Zapier.com, and you're simply going to create an account, and after doing that, this is what you would be able to see. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to click on Create Zap over here on the left side. In this page, we would be able to select a trigger and an action. For the trigger, we're going to select for Microsoft Teams, and then we're going to select this option over here. And then we're going to choose an event that we would like to happen, for example, a new team member. And then we're going to click on continue. And after that, we would need to connect our Microsoft Team account over here. And then we're going to do the same on the actions over here. We're going to search for Salesforce. Then we're going to select this option over here. Then we're going to choose an event. And then we're going to have the event called Create Contact. You could use any event that you would like. Then we're going to click on Continue. And then you would need to connect your Salesforce account over here. Now, after connecting both of this account, you would be able to publish this interaction. And then you would be able to make them work together. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.